Zanussi dishwasher. It won't start, it won't cycle, it won't do anything. Now, this was the call from the customer last week, so we came to see what's going on. Now, the diagnostic is made and the fault is on the door switch. Let me show you how we find out. So this is our door switch and it's broken here. Now how we testing if this is the correct part. Now this is the micro switch which will give a signal to the dishwasher to start. Let's see if the dishwasher start. The first thing dishwasher does when start is to test up the drain, and then it will start filling the water. Now let's see if starting to drain. When we came, this wasn't starting at all, just lights in here and won't go into cycle. Let's make the test. There you go. This is our fault. There you go. New part will be ordered, replaced, and dishwasher is just 3 years old. Now then it will serve the customer another few years without issues. If you have a problem with the dishwasher, washing machine or oven, please make sure you get in touch. If you remember, we had found the fault of this dishwasher last time, and now we have replaced the part. This is the old one, this is the new one. Now let's see if the machine is working. There you go. Ecco. Started. Perfect. Very good. There you go. Now you're gonna fit the machine back, run a cycle and see how it is. Genuine parts from Zanussi. Old one, the new one, and the new cover and the old cover. Let's get this fitted back and see how it performs. There you go, machine is back, everything is fitted. Now is testing time. Let's test the machine now. There you go. Draining. Every dishwasher, before start washing, first always is draining, so this is a good time for the people to know. Next we'll be filling the water. This is draining again. Some manufacturers do program them to drain few times. This is also normal. There you go. Now it's filling the water. You can hear the noise. This is the filling noise. Filling the water now. And next will be the washing. Filling the water a little more. There you go. Washing started. Perfect. Now we're gonna open the door and see if it's actually washing. If the water comes out, then it means it's washing. Here we have the old parts. We will give to the customer for their reference, and the paper with the note for the order. There you go, this is the note, and all perfect. Perfect. Now it's time to drain it out. I'm gonna reset to make sure it's draining out. Let's listen now. Perfect. Perfect. All is working fine. Brilliant. Zanussi dishwasher fixed, and it will provide a service to each owner. All dry and perfect condition. Now we can switch on the machine. Before that we reset. I always reset. Now we can switch it off. Test completed. Thank you very much. And if you like the video, or if you don't like something, or you think that I'm doing it wrongly, please make sure you put it in the comment section. If you want more useful content like this, make sure to subscribe and like, or put the thumbs down if you don't. And see you next time.